Welcome to our video on the fascinating world of cybersecurity analysts. In today's digital age, these unsung heroes play a crucial role in safeguarding the virtual realm. So, what does a cybersecurity analyst actually do? Let's dive in and find out. At their core, cybersecurity analysts are like digital detectives. Their mission: uncovering and preventing cyber threats that can compromise our sensitive data. From identifying potential vulnerabilities to fortifying defenses, these professionals are the guardians of the digital world. One of their primary tasks is to continuously monitor networks and systems for any signs of unauthorized access or malicious activity. They keep a watchful eye on firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other security measures to detect and analyze potential breaches. When an incident occurs, cybersecurity analysts are the first responders. They work tirelessly to investigate and assess the impact of the breach, identifying the source of the attack and the vulnerabilities exploited. Armed with this knowledge, they develop strategies to mitigate the damage and prevent future attacks. But it doesn't stop there. Cybersecurity analysts are always staying one step ahead of cybercriminals. They analyze emerging trends and techniques in hacking, researching new ways to fortify defenses and outsmart attackers. By constantly adapting and evolving, they protect our digital world from ever-evolving threats. In this interconnected age, businesses rely on cybersecurity analysts to safeguard their operations and protect their customers. These experts work hand in hand with IT teams, offering guidance and support to ensure that security protocols are in place and up to date. Their expertise is vital in preventing data breaches that can cost companies millions and damage their reputation. So, the next time you enjoy the convenience of online shopping, social media, or even just sending an email, remember the cybersecurity analysts who work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our digital lives safe. They are the unsung heroes of the virtual realm, protecting our digital sanctity with dedication and expertise. Thank you for watching our video on cybersecurity analysts. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.